Hello everyone. Today we are going to do some miscellaneous questions of chapter 3, class 10th. So the questions that we are going to discuss, I have chosen few questions for this video and few questions for the next video. So today we will do exercise 3.4 question number 2 part 1 and exercise 3.5 question number 2 part 2nd, question number 4 part 4th. In this video we will complete these three questions. These are basically statement question. Each is of different type. So in these two video I will try to cover as many different type of statement question as possible. In next video again we will choose some 3 or 4 questions. So let's start with exercise 3.4 question number 2 part 1. So I am reading the statement. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by the elimination method. So we have to make use of elimination method. Now part 1. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, if fraction reduces to 1, it becomes 1 by 2. If we only add 1 to the denominator, what is the fraction? So that means here we are talking about fraction. So सबसे पहले हम suppose करेंगे fraction. Let the fraction be x upon y. Let the fraction be x upon y. Now again from the first line, if we add 1 to the numerator, that means x plus 1 and subtract 1 from the denominator y minus 1. A fraction reduces to 1. So this is the first statement. So we can simplify this as by cross multiplying we can get x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. So this is the first equation we get. Again from the second line it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. That means x upon y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Again by cross multiplication what you get? 2x is equal to y plus 1. This is equation number 2. Now let's simplify them. Let's bring the variable on one side and the constant on other side. On simplification, one and 2, what we get? X minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 1. So on simplification 1 and 2, first equation we get is x minus y is equal to minus 2 from equation 1. And from equation second we get 2x minus y is equal to 1. So we have to solve these equation. Let's name them A and B. We have to solve this equation using method of elimination. So multiply equation A by 2. If you want to write, you can also write down like this. Multiply equation A by 2. That is coefficient of x in equation number B. And equation B by 1. We get what we get, we have to multiply this by 2 and this by 1. So we get 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 4, and here we get 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now we have to subtract them because both these coefficient of x has the same sign. So this minus, this plus, this is again minus, they cancel each other. So this is minus 2 plus 1, this is minus 1, that is minus y, and this is minus 5. So what we get, y is equal to 5. Now we have to substitute this value of y in any of the equation a or b. Put y is equal to 5 in equation a. So what we get, x minus y is equal to minus 2, x minus 5 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 plus 5, this is 3. So x is equal to 3. अब स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, आंसर को यहीं स्टॉप कर देते हैं, बट भूलना नहीं है कि हमसे क्वेश्चन में फ्रैक्शन पूछा था. सो द फ्रैक्शन इज fraction is 3 by 5. Again you can check your answer according to the statement. If we add 1 to the numerator, that means 3 में अगर 1 add किया, that is 4, and subtract 1 from the denominator, that is 4. A fraction reduces to 1, that means this is correct. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. 3 by 5 plus 1, that is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. That means this is also correct. So according to the question, our fraction satisfy everything. So this is the correct answer. So this is the first question. If you have any doubt, please write down in the comment section. Now let's move to the second question. Second question is from exercise 3.5. Question number 2, part 2. I am reading the question. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? For which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? We have to find out k for no solution. Equations are 3x plus y is equal to 1, and the next is 2k minus 1 x plus k minus 1 y is equal to 2k plus 1. So we have to find the value of k such that this system has no solution. First of all, you have to remember the ratio method for no solution. What does it say? If a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 and it is not equal to c1 by c2, then we have no solution. For no solution, a1 by a2 must be equal to b1 by b2 and it must not be equal to c1 by c2. Is it clear? So what we can write it here, 3 upon 2k minus 1. a1 means coefficient of x in the first equation and a2 means coefficient of x in the second equation. Similarly, b1 is the coefficient of y in first equation and b2 is the coefficient of y in second equation. So this is 1 upon k minus 1 is not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. So these are three ratios. Two are equal to each other and one is not equal to any of the one. So what we will do, we will find k from these two ratios and we will check whether it satisfies the third equation or not. So from first two ratios, what we get? 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon k minus 1. You can cross multiply them. So this will give you 3k minus 3 equals to 2k minus 1. This is 3k minus 2k minus 1 plus 3. This is 2 and this is k. So the value is k. Value of k is 2, sorry. So let's check it out with the second ratios, whether it satisfy or not. Check. From last two ratios, 1 upon 2 minus 1 and the second one is 1 upon 2 to the 4 plus 1. This is nothing but 1 up. This is 1 upon 1 is 1. 1 is not equal to 1 upon 5. That means our answer is correct. Move to the next question. That is question number 4 and part 4th. So I am reading the question. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by any algebraic method. That means you can use any method according to your convenience. Whatever you feel easy, you can use it. So let's read part 4. Places A and B are 100 km apart on highway. So it is saying places A and places B are 100 km apart. Suppose this is 100 km apart. Places A and B are 100 km apart on highway. One car starts from A and other car starts from B. One car starts from here and other car starts from here. Okay. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speed, suppose they both travel in the same direction, car A and car B both travel in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours. Let's write it mathematically. Let the speed of car A be x and car B be y. This is x and this is y. So now the formula for speed is distance upon time. Clear? So what would be the distance? Speed into time. Clear? And time here, time equals to 5 hours. 5 hours is the time. They meet in 5 hours. That means दोनों 5 घंटे चलने के बाद मिली. So time दोनों के लिए क्या रहेगा? 5 hours. So distance covered by car A. Distance covered by car A. Car A should be speed into time. Speed of car A is x and time is 5. So this is 5x. And car B is 5y. And which car covers the more distance? Car A covers the more distance because it is already 100 km before car B. So according to this, 5x minus 5y should be 100 kilometers. So this forms our equation number A. Now if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. Now it is saying if there is a car at point A and there is a car at point B and they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. that means this time both the car travels for 1 hour. दोनों कार कितने टाइम तक चली? 1 घंटा. So in this case, again the speed of car is x and the speed of car is y. Clear? So in this case, distance covered by car A, distance covered by car A would be only distance का formula speed into time. Speed is x, time is 1, so this is x. Car B is y. Clear? X kilometer you can say that, and y kilometer you can say. So in this case, they both travel towards each other, and we already know they are 100 किलोमीटर अपार्ट्स. दोनों 100 किलोमीटर दूर हैं, तो दोनों ने मिलके कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया होगा? 100. सो हेयर x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 100. सो दिस इज पार्ट इक्वेशन नंबर बी. नाउ वी हैव टू इक्वेशंस. पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन फॉर्म. Pair of linear equations, what we have? 5x minus 5y is equal to 100 and x plus y is equal to 100. Is it clear? Yeah. So we have to solve it by any algebraic method. Which one is easy here? You can easily see here the coefficient is 5 and here the coefficient of x is 1. So I will multiply this by 1 and this by 5. That means I am using elimination method. So what I will get? This is 5x minus 5y is equal to 100 and this is 5x plus 5y is equal to 500. So again I have to subtract. They cancel each other. This is minus 10y equal to 100 minus 500, that means minus 400. So minus 10y is equal to minus 400. Y is equal to minus 400 upon minus 10. This is minus minus cancel out. 10 cancel out. This is 40. So y is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. We have to write the unit also along with the speed, because y is a speed of a car. So now you can put value of y in any of the equation, either in equation A or in equation B. So here it is easy to put in equation B. So put y is equal to 40 in equation B. Equation B is x plus y is equal to 100. So x plus 40 is equal to 100. X is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. 100 minus 40, that is 60 kilometer per hour. So speed of car A is 60 kilometer per hour and car B is 40 kilometer per hour. Here the units are kilometer and hour, so you need not to convert anything. Again, you can check your answer. You can put these values in equation A and B. If they satisfy each other, that means your answer is correct if you have written the correct mathematical statement.